Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 18th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the pound yen, we are at the 100% Fibonacci extension. Definitely seems like it could be an area of resistance, especially with these like doji candles that we had last week. So the thing is that we're not even at a Fibonacci retracement level. So if it does push down, which it probably will, then it very likely will just be a pullback to the last move up, and it very likely is going to go up to at least a 78% Fibonacci retracement. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it does seem like a pretty good area of resistance, and it does seem like we may get a push down, but it seems like even if it does go down, it's more likely just a pullback within the higher time frame uptrend. So whether you take the short or not is kind of up to you, but the trade that I would really be focused on is any longs, especially at the end of any three-way pullbacks. And if it does go down and take out this low, the first thing I would do is start my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, look for three waves down, look for a Fibonacci bounce, and look for more entries to go long. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.